that conceals what one will soon be. A castle made from glass and chiseled quartz. Are you doomed to tempestuously traverse? A set of swings blowing with the wind of time, a representation, a maze of your mind, a library, crisp pages, tales of a life, a soul that dies on a repetitive timeline. I will find a way to stop losing myself, have control of myself. End of time. These stories of mine I'll continue to write through these dimensions of time. I will search the white castle, this white castle of my mind. An illusion created for your demise, a paved path to guide one from fraudulent lies. This place is far from what you think that it is. Escaping is the only way we'll win. Is this the way that I am losing myself? Am I in control? Or is time these pages that turn with the lessons I learn? Who possesses them? Aren't they mine? Oh, what is this white castle? This white castle of my mind. This white castle of my mind. Tossed around like paper in the wind, and I can't seem to fix one's eyes. Swore to myself not to pick sides. If you look inside my mind, you'll understand. The knocking in my head drove me insane, but keep on grinning and hide the pain. Torn down and bruised, don't make me choose. Take notes of people I don't want to lose. Is that it hell, recollect and let it control you. Remember your training and the scream to the void, cause nothing feels right, and everything seems so misplaced. Don't stand too close, this is my fight. One smile away, I'll shatter like a glass. Who am I? Where am I? Where did I come from? The voices inside my head are swallowing me. Deep in hell, recollect and let it control you. God, please help me, it's telling me to go. Who am I? Where am I? Where did I come from? The voices inside my head are swallowing me. Deep in hell, recollect and let it control you. Remember your training and the choose people, not sides. 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 Who am I? Where am I? Where did I come from? The voices inside my head are swallowing me. Deep in hell, recollect and let it control you. God, please help me, it's telling me to go. Who am I? Where am I? Where did I come from? The voices inside my head are swallowing me. Deep in hell, recollect and let it control you. Remember your training and the
alleviate the head stress. My emotions roll over like the headrest. On a plane I connected under sunsets. Start a rhyme for the time I got nothing left. Mom screaming, time's beaming, gotta make the best out this holiday weekend. What a success. I'm not high this evening, what an upset. Which flight will get me lifted where the sun rests? Time zones don't know, is she up yet? Google drone, metro phone, what's the subset? Find it out on your location, what is obsessed? I'm just kidding for the moment, maybe not yet. Chetty's chasing your reflection, so eternal yet. She was mountainous like Denver. It's cold inside this Reno. Oh, how you in November? Hug me tighter in the winter. Sweater sessions, touch your linen. Find a burner on your shoulder. You remember that our life is all worth living, even in times of forgiveness. It hurts to be so cold, seeing you on within December. Without your favorite nigga, Bob could probably paint the pictures. Flowers on your windows because you're my favorite art. You're my canvas, you're my heart. On this tablet I forgot. All this love from the start has got me thinking of it since we are apart. Hey.
Show me two options, so I had to take the third door. Had to take some time to analyze what really hurts more. Making from a 9 to 5 or being poor and going for it. Some say I'll be without, but time is really all we have. Walking around, hazy vision, living in the time lapse. We were never meant for that. I admire mama spent her life so my environment's conducive to aspiring. She's ironclad. When life strikes, she fires back. Resilient despite my dad's absence, so I admire that. I got my CDs, my T's, and my flyers packed. This is for my young lads and those who love my prior acts. Lump me with the 2010 kid who raps sad and act cathartic. Middle class aggression once expressed to whack guitar riffs. Too profound, leave a passerby so astounded. Why this kid lost his shit in the parking lot of Target, man, it's deeper than that. And this ain't for the niggas who will tweet before act. This is for my people out of reach of relief. Can't speak so they rap, but the tongue-tied young minds are seeking the gap. Holding on to their sanity while I'm preaching our sentiments of love and humanity. While I can't see the evidence, been through the ringer of self-doubt and depression. It ain't a preference, I hope they hear me, cause I'll be a telling them that. I'll be just fine.
Oh, who is she? A misty memory, a haunting face. Is she a lost embrace? Am I in love with just a thief? Or is Aisha just a dream? A mystery. Oh, who is she? Oh, who is she? A misty memory, a haunting face. Is she a lost embrace? I call her name across an endless plain. She'll answer me wherever she may be. Oh, who is she? A misty memory, a haunting face. Is she a lost embrace? Somewhere across the sea of time, a love immortal such as mine will come to me eternally. Immortal she, return to me.
I just wanna feel like someone's up to something. Betrayal in the air, I'm losing my mind. Just another knife in my back. Pull them out and watch my pain pour. I've always the ones you hold the closest. And always the ones you thought you trusted. No memory is gonna save you. No memory is worth the pain it costs. And I just want revenge and a little bit more, and a little bit more. Lower your defense, just a little bit more, just a little bit more.